Hi guys, so in this video we are doing an Euclidean problem. Let's begin. So it reads, in the diagram below, tangent KT, or in the diagram below, tangent KT to the circle at K is parallel to the chord and M, and T cuts the circle at L, and triangle, I forgot this, should have switched it on. Triangle KML is drawn, and angle M2 is equals to 40 degrees, and angle MKT is equals to 84 degrees. Now, I know I don't make sense. The reason why is I want us to do what we usually do on this YouTube channel, which is our daily ritual, our daily bread, which is we're going to do what? Dr. Cape Town. Exactly. You have to get used to this, guys. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, now they said something about a tangent. We have a tangent. Do we see parallel lines? Yes, we do see them. Do we see a cyclic quad? Of course, yes. Do we see a radius? They didn't speak anything about the center. I don't see any center here. So this means that we don't have these two. So we have Cape Town itself. So this is actually good. So we have a cyclic quad, we have parallel lines, we have a tangent. Okay, now let's begin. So if they're not visible, I'm going to read them out. So this is angle K2, right? So they say determine angle K2. So angle K2, how can we find it? Remember that we have a tangent, right? So this is the tangent, and K2 is this. So what are we going to do? We're going to use tan chord. So we're going to say tan chord alternate back home. So this means that K2, angle K2 is equals to angle M2, which is equals to 40 degrees tan chord. Okay, now for 8.1.2, which is angle N1. Right, so this is N1. N1 itself, how can we find it? Now, since we know that we have a cyclic quad here, which is the bow tie, we can use angles in the same segment. Now don't be confused by this 84. This 84, it's from here. It's from here to it's the entire angle K itself, which includes K1 and K2. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for K1. So we're gonna say K1 is equals to 84 minus 40. Do you see what I just did there? I just took the one that we found K2 and I just subtracted it from 84, which gives me what? 44 degrees. Okay, so this means it is what? 44 degrees. So this means K1 it is 44 degrees, and then I can say angle N1 is equals to angle K1, which is equals to 44 degrees, raising angles in the same segment. Now moving to the next one, which is angle T. Okay, angle T. Now how can we find angle T? Angle T is here. Now since angle T is there, what we are going to do, we're going to use our parallel lines. So you're going to say let's use a highlighter, this and this. So this means angle N1 is equals to angle T. Okay, so let's write it down and say it's equals to angle N1, which is equals to 44 degrees. Raising alternate angle, right? And alternate angle of what? KT is parallel to NM. Then just like that, we found angle T. Moving to 8.1.4, which is L2. So here. Now for L2, we could have just said angles in the same segment, but then we don't have M1. So this means it's not gonna work. For those of which who are just driven to find M1, you can, but it's gonna take you a lot of time. Remember that we are preparing for the exams, guys. So I don't want you guys to spend a lot of time on this. So instead, we are going to use the exterior angle of a triangle. So we can see that K2 and T, angle K2, and T, and this is our L2. So we know that L2 is equals to angle K2 plus T, angle T, raising exterior angle of a triangle. Do we have K2? Of course, it's in the beginning, which is 40 degrees. What is the T? 44 degrees, which is 84 degrees. Now someone may be like, 84 degrees, it looks a little bit familiar. This means we could have tried to find it using angles in the same segment, but it's going to take you a lot of time. Honestly, it is going to take you a lot of time, so yeah, don't do that, guys. Then for 8.1.5, oh wow, this is the last one. This is a shocker. They're telling us this is L1, by the way, guys. This is angle L1, just in case if it's not visible. This is L1. Now for angle L1, how can we find L1, which is this one here? Now remember, the examiner is romantic, so usually the question before gives you, a step for you to get to the next answer of the question after. So what we're gonna do is do the sum of triangles. So we have 44 degrees, which is K1. Okay, K1, this is K1. We are looking for L1, which is L1, and we found this one. Let me use a different mark. We found this one, and for those wondering which triangle I'm talking about, we're gonna find, I'm gonna use this triangle. So we're gonna find the sum of angles in a triangle to find L1. Let's do it. Let me denote it a bit so it can be much better. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say in what triangle? In triangle KLM, we have 44 degrees from K2, from K1, sorry, K1, or you could just say angle K1 plus angle M2 plus angle L2 plus angle L1. It's equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees, raising sum of angles in a triangle. Now let's look for L1. Angle L1 is going to be 180 degrees minus the L2, which we just found, which is 84 degrees, minus the M2, which is 40 degrees, minus the K2, the K1. Why am I saying K2? Sorry about that, but minus 44 degrees. Then our L1, angle L1, it's going to be what? You can do it on your calculator, and you should be getting 12 degrees. So this means L1, angle L1, is equals to 12 degrees. So guys, this was a very short video, and it was an interesting one, because these are those small type of questions people tend to make mistakes on. And please guys, don't forget, apply your Dr. Cape Town. It's gonna help you a lot. Just like that, guys. I'll see you in the next one.